Hi, thank you for attending this virtual industry day. My name is Hattie Williams, and I'm the Small Business Specialist for the Veterans Healthcare System NCO 17, and it's most commonly known as NCO 17 or VISN 17. We are a integrated healthcare system serving a population of slightly over 1 million veterans residing in approximately 150 counties. We provide a full complement of primary care, specialty care, mental health, and inpatient care in our healthcare systems. And we've also recently added 3 additional facilities. The Department of Veterans Affairs purchases goods and services on a national, regional, and local level. No matter how large or small your business is, the VA is a potential customer. I mentioned earlier the 4 healthcare systems, and I'm going to go through them to let you know how they lined up. North Texas Veteran Healthcare System includes Dallas, Bonham, and Fort Worth. Central Texas Veterans Healthcare System includes Temple, Waco, and Austin. South Texas Veterans Healthcare System, San Antonio and Kerrville. Valley Coastal Bend Healthcare System includes Harlingen. And I'd like to add, we've done a recent addition to our North Texas Veterans Healthcare System, which is our Garland facility. We've also done a realignment, and now we have those additional 3 facilities. There are Amarillo, West Texas VA Healthcare System, which is in Big Springs, El Paso Healthcare System as well. So I cover all of those areas. So if you need anything in those particular areas, I will be able to help you with that. I'm going to go next to steps in doing business with the Department of Veterans Affairs so that you can be prepared and be procurement ready. Make certain that your business is registered and Dun & Bradstreet, and you have obtained a DUNS number. This DUNS number will also allow you to register in our additional systems. Know your National American Industry Classification codes. This 6-digit codes identify and classify your products and services, and we certainly look at those when we are reviewing your capabilities. Make certain that you are registered in the System for Award Management, which normally called SAM. All business must be registered in this system for all federal agencies. Also, make certain that you are registered in the Small Dynamic Business Search. This is an SBA site. We certainly use this for our market research. And for veteran-owned small businesses who are interested in participating in the Department of Veterans Affairs, they must register for the Center for Verification and Evaluation. I have these websites listed here. Make certain that if this is something that you want to do, that you registered in these systems. They will verify you, and you cannot qualify as a veteran-owned small business unless you are registered in the Center for Verification Evaluation. Also, make certain you create a capability statement to demonstrate and emphasize your small business abilities and performance. The PTAC and also SBA, as well as myself, will give you pointers when you are creating your capability statement. Make certain that your capability statement and your website coincides as well. Please know the small business requirements and better understand the federal marketplace. SBA also has a website that will help you as well as the PTAC. So those 2 sites are very valuable in your ability to do business with the Department of Veterans Affairs. Again, the steps in doing business with the VA, learn our FAR and our VAR. Both of these sites will help you know your rights as well as the rules and regulations for the Department of Veterans Affairs. Please conduct a market research for your particular industry and do a competitive analysis. Look at the federal supply schedule and what your business is offering to see if your prices are competitive. Know your additional market customers through the same system. You can look at the federal supply system. You can also look in Beta SAM. Both of these will give you a very good idea of what who your competitors are. And also note, we are required to list all requirements over 25,000 and beta SAM. So take a look at the past and current uh, solicitations and see if your business can fit into one of those areas. Respond to our source of salt and RFIs when you see them. A lot of times we are doing these to indicate whether or not we have businesses out there that can fulfill our needs. And also certain, we are looking for set aside purposes. So if you're a veteran small business or you're just a small business and you see that source of salt and they say they're seeking the veteran small business or STB or SBs, please make sure that you respond. This is the way that we can know that you're out there and that you are capable of fulfilling our needs. Please make certain that you attend events such as this one and regional and national networking contract events as well. During this COVID-19, we are limiting in-person visits, but please make certain that you're attending those virtual industry days to glean any additional information that you may need. Also, visit the SBA and the PTAX. They work in combination with us to ensure that we have available small businesses to perform. Make certain that you're looking at our forecasting opportunity site. They are given the best estimate, and please note that these are estimates. They are not guaranteed that these will become procurements, but you can certainly get ready for them and ask questions. Look at the VA catalog search tool, and which is updated to provide you with contracting opportunities that are managed through the VA Federal Supply Schedule. This is extremely important as well. Again, you can also mitigate any risk by subcontracting with a large prime vendor. Any vendor that the dollar value is over 750,000 or above 1.5 million for construction of public facilities are required to have a subcontracting plan. So certainly, this is a way that you can get experience in working for the Department of Veterans Affairs. Let me give you just a little summary of what the VA procures. Of course, pharmaceuticals, perishables assistance such as meat, dairy, bread, fruit, and vegetables, equipment, supplies, and materials for facility operation, everything from light bulbs to cleaning supplies. Again, some of these are done by large businesses simply because of the volume. However, remember, subcontracting plans is paramount with the Department of Veterans Affairs. Maintenance and repair of medical and scientific equipment, janitorial and grounds maintenance service. Remember, we just opened up that Garland facility, so you will see opportunities there. Building construction, maintenance and repair, such as painting, plumbing, electrical, flooring, and HVAC. Also know that we have several procurement uh, we have several procurement vehicles already in place, such as our MATOC, several MATOC in reference to construction. So make sure that in those particular ones, that you look at those prime vendors and seek small business opportunities for them. Prosthetics and orthopedic aids, medical gases, IT, hardware, software and maintenance, administrative and medical staffing supplies. I'm going to go back a little bit to the IT and hardware. We utilize two vehicles for our IT hardware and software over certain dollar amounts. One is our SOUP contract, and the other one is our technical acquisition center, which over 150,000, also depending on the nature of that requirement. Our technical acquisition center, which is the TAC, will purchase those items. So make certain that you also know that you are aware of our forecasting opportunity sites, our National Acquisition Center, and our Strategic Acquisition Center, as well as the TAC. All three, that NAC, SAC, and TAC are purchasing for the Department of Veterans Affairs. There are just strategic, the Acquisition Center just purchase certain things. And again, the TAC, I get a lot of IT, and I just want to let you know that you should be going to the Technical Acquisition Center for our procurements. Also, you can find your small business liaisons in other states of this particular site. I cover all of Texas with a little bit of Oklahoma and New Mexico. So anything with the exception of Houston. Let me make that perfectly clear again. I cover everything in Texas except for Houston. Houston is in business 16. Again, make certain that you're looking at the federal business opportunities at our beta SAM. I would like to give you just a little bit about what we did in FY20 for small business achievements. These are based on our available dollars for these particular areas. In our SDVOSB, which is our service disabled veteran-owned small businesses, we did 43.67%, and that dollar value is quite high there. And our veteran-owned small business, 44.21% of all available dollars, which are veteran-owned small businesses. Women-owned small business received 4.63%. We would have loved to have gotten that at least to 5%. So women, we certainly need your business, but everyone need to know the process have to be fair and reasonable as well. Certified Hub Zone small business, we did 4.9%. Small business, we did 57.18%, $116,485.24. Quite a bit for our small businesses. Disadvantaged business, we did 23.59%. We certainly are a business that Department of Veterans Affairs is certainly looking at all small business opportunities. Again, my name is Hattie Williams. I am the Small Business Specialist for Network Contracting Office 17, also known as Business 17. Should you have any questions or need further information, please contact me. Thank you for helping us serve our veterans. Have a great day.